Presenting the greatest innovation in wet grinders since the tabletop wet grinder. Ultra Fastgrind. It makes perfect airy idli batter in just half the time. A first-of-its-kind counter-rotating mechanism that reduces batter grinding time by half. See for yourself. Light and airy rice batter ready. Two-way counter-rotating mechanism to grind tougher ingredients for chutneys, wet masalas and appam. Food-grade stainless steel drum. ABS body. 150-watt powerful motor. 2-liter capacity. Leaning design for easy usage. Wedge design for easy pouring. Compact design that occupies 33% less space. Ultra's patented conical stone design is now even lighter in the Ultra Fastgrind. It generates lesser heat, retains more good bacteria, leads to higher fermentation rise and keeps the batter fresh for up to 5 days. Greater batter volume, more idlis and easy handling too. You can check the batter texture in the Ultra Fastgrind without having to open the lid. And the convenient lid design makes it easy to add water too. You can add the full quantity all at once in the Ultra Fastgrind. The unique stall controller senses load imbalances and automatically corrects it by switching modes. All you need to do is just set the timer and relax. The end of cycle buzzer will alert you once the job is done. No need to intervene or worry at all. The new Ultra Fastgrind, the next generation wet grinder that saves your time. Ultra, perfectly made.